Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Grand Online Academy. This is Teacher Muhammad, and welcome to this short lesson on prepositions used with the verb work. Here in this lesson, we're going to be talking about the prepositions used with the verb work. And before we start the lesson, please make sure that you share this video or listen with your friends and family. And like I said earlier, we'll be doing a lesson which is about prepositions that we use with the verb work. And they are the ones that we have on the board. They are in, as, for, on, from, and at. These are the prepositions that we're going to be talking about today, and we have them in the sentences. So let's take a look at them. Wait, before we start, please, we want to let you know that we are taking new English classes. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you contact us on the numbers here on the video. Aad baa mahadsantihiin dhammaan kusoo dhawaada Grand Online Academy ardayda sharafta badan. Waa Macallin Maxamed. Kusoo dhawaada casharkeenan kooban oo aan maanta kaga hadli doono meelayaasha lala isticmaalo ereyga ama ficilka work. Marka waxaan isticmaalnaa prepositionskan markaynu ka waramayno shaqada. It's all about the prepositions used in the workplace. Marka shaqada la joogo ama markaynu ka hadlayno shaqada la isticmaalo ama goobta shaqada. Okay, intaan casharka guda gelin, fadlan la wadaag casharkan asxaabtaada iyo qaraabadaada. Sidoo kale waxaan u qaadanaynaa fasalo cusub oo English ah. Haddii aad danaynayso, nala soo xidhiidh. Okay, and for now, let's basically get started the lesson. And the prepositions used with the verb work. Number one, I work in the finance department. The preposition that we have in the sentence is in. And we use in when we talk about a particular thing or a particular place. So this person works in the finance department. So the particular place that he works is the finance department. That's the particular department that the person works at. Qofkani wuxuu ka shaqeeyaa the finance department. Qaybta lacag qabashada ama qaybta lacagta the finance department. Marka wuxuu dhahdaa I work in the finance department. Where do you work at? I work in the finance department. Where do you work? I work in the finance department. Xageed ka shaqeysaa? In the finance department. Good. So marka in waxa la isticmaalayaa marka laga hadlayo meel marka la sheegayo. Particular thing. So the particular department that this person works in is the finance. Good. Number two, I work as a lawyer. I work as a lawyer. Where's the preposition? The preposition is as. So we use this preposition when we talk about what we do for the living. waxaan isticmaalnaa preposition kan markaynu ka waramayno waxaynu qabanaa. Ama when we talk about what we do, our work, shaqadayna markaynu ka waramayno. What do you do? I am a lawyer. I work as a lawyer. I am a lawyer. Or in other words, you can say, I work as a lawyer. I work as a teacher. Good. I work as a doctor. So we use this preposition when we describe what we do or when we talk about our work. That's when we're going to be using the preposition as. Waxaan isticmaalinaa markaynu ka waramayno waxaynu qabanayna. Good. Number three, he works for 8 hours every day. He works for 8 hours every day. So we use the preposition for when we talk about the length of time. Markaynu ka waramayno waqtiga inta uu waqtiga qofku shaqeynayo waxaan isticmaalnaa prepositionka for. Okay. He works for 8 hours every day. Wuxuu shaqeeyaa 8 saacadood maalin kasta. That's the length of time that that person works. Waa waqtiga ama dhararka waqtiga qofku inta uu shaqeynayo. Intee lag baad shaqeysaa? I work for 8 hours every day. Maalin kasta 8 saacadood baan shaqeeyaa. Good. 4. So number 4 is she works on Mondays and Thursdays. She works on Mondays and Thursdays. Waxay shaqeysaa iyadu maalmaha Isniinta iyo maalmaha Khamiista. So on is used for the days. We're going to be using the preposition on with days. waxaan la isticmaalnaa markaynu ka waramino maalmaha. She works on Mondays and Thursdays. marka prepositionka on waxaa la isticmaalayaa markaynu ka waramayno maalmaha. dabcan gabadhani waxay shaqaysaa on Mondays and Thursdays. Good. And let's move on to the next one. The next one is she works from 8 to 12. She works from 8 to 12. marka from waxaan isticmaalaynaa marka wax meel laga bilaabayo meelna lagu dhameynayo. marka waxay ka bilaabtaa shaqadeeda 8 ilaa 12. She works from 8 to 12. waxay shaqaysaa inta u dhaxaysa 8 laga bilaabo ilaa 12. Okay? You might work from 7 to 2. waxa laga yaabaa inaad shaqayso 7 ilaa 2. Okay? marka from waxaan isticmaalnaa markuu shay meel laga bilaabayo ilaa iyo meel kale. She works from 8 to 12. waxay shaqaysaa 8 ilaa iyo 12. Good. And now we're going to move into the last preposition in this lesson, and it is at. She works at the bank. She works at the bank. waxay ka shaqaysaa bangiga. So we're going to be using this preposition when we want to talk about the place, okay? The workplace. waxaanu isticmaalaynaa prepositionka markaynu ka waramayno meel. Location. Okay. Where do you work at? I work at the bank. I work at the bank. Ama she works at the bank. waxay ka shaqaysaa bangiga. marka location ama markaad sheegayso ama place wada isticmaalaysaa at. Okay, so these are the prepositions that you need to use when you want to basically talk about your work, and these are the prepositions used with the verb work. In, as, for, on, from, and at. I work in the finance department. I work as a lawyer. He works for 8 hours a day. She works on Mondays and Thursdays. She works from 8 to 12. She works at the bank. And that's it for the lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. And basically make sure that you put these prepositions in your own sentences and put them in the comment section below. Thank you very much. See you next time in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.